When I started coding, I spent weeks watching videos and I felt like I was making real progress. But when I sat down to build something on my own, I had nothing. And it happened with me many times. And to be honest, that taught me everything I need to know about how to actually learn coding fast. Most beginners do this. Pick a language, watch many hours tutorials, take beautiful notes, and never write a single line of code on their own. I will not recommend that. Why? Here is the smarter way. Step 1. Pick one language. Not two, not three, just one. If you want to build website, learn JavaScript. And if you want to learn automation, AI, or just want something beginner friendly, start with Python. Step 2. Learn just enough to get dangerous. Yes, I mean it. Learn just enough to get dangerous. For example, variables, if statements, loops, functions. That's your starter pack. You don't need more than that to build your first project. And step 3 is build something small and fun immediately. For example, a quiz app, a calculator, a to-do list, a simple game. It does not have to be impressive, it just has to be yours. The secret is 4-step cycle. Learn the concept, use it in your project, break something, then fix it. Simple. In a moment, I will share the roadmap. Before I get to the roadmap, let me save you from mistakes I have seen beginners make over and over again. Mistake 1. Tutorial hell. Watching video after video feeling productive, but it's not. Tutorials are a starting point, not a destination. Mistake 2. Language hopping. You start with Python, see a JavaScript video, then you switch to JavaScript. And then you saw something cool in Angular. You just jump to Angular. That is not right. Just pick one language and stick with it for at least 60 days. Mistake 3. Comparing yourself to senior developers. That person with 10 years of experience was once exactly where you are right now. So never compare. Mistake 4. Trying to build something massive too early. Your first project does not need to be big. It doesn't need a login system or even database. Build small, finish it early. And mistake 5. Quitting when things are confusing. Confusion is not a sign that you are failing. It is a sign you are learning. Push through it, Google it, ask ChatGPT, and keep going. And here is a simple 30-day challenge you can start today. Day 1 to 7, learn the basics. Spend 30 to 60 minutes a day on variables, loops, functions, and if statement. Write small programs every single day. And day 8 to 14, build your first project. Keep it tiny. It could be a quiz, calculator, a simple game. Finish it. That's the goal. Day 15 to 21, rebuild. Now try to rebuild it without looking at your old code. Trust the process in this one. And day 21 to 30, start something slightly harder and share it with at least one person. That's it. 30 days, one language, real projects, and you will be amazed at where you will be at end of the 30 days. Here is the truth nobody tells beginners. You are not behind. You are not too old. You are not too slow. You just have not started building yet. Coding rewards the people who show up consistently and build things, even ugly, broken, unimpressive things. Every project teaches you something a tutorial never could. Your next step is simple. Take the 30-day challenge which I just shared with you. Start today, and when you finish your first project, you will see the difference. That is how beginners become developers, not by watching more videos, by building projects. There's one more thing I did not cover today, and honestly, it might be the most important part of the whole journey. Because learning the code is just the beginning. What you do with the skills is where things get really interesting. I made a separate video on that, and I think it will completely change how you see your coding future. It's right here. Go watch it next.